Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph, and today we're going to decide which sink stopper is better for people with long hair. A few months ago, I replaced the sink faucet and drain in my bathroom. The sink drain that I installed is a push-button style instead of a traditional pop-up style where you pull the rod from the back of the faucet. After installing this, I was curious if this new push-button sink drain would work better to clean out my hair from clogging the sink. So for 30 days, I tried the push-button sink stopper that came with the sink drain to see how much hair it collected over that time. Here you can see there's just a little bit of hair on the stopper itself, so I'm going to use this tool to try to clean out any hair that might be in the sink drain. I've used this previously with my sink and it usually pulls up a bunch of hair, but you can see there's really not much here. Again, it's only been 30 days, but it looks like the stopper worked pretty well at collecting the hair. Next, I want to test out this version called the Sink Shroom. This is a separate sink stopper that can be retrofitted to your sink, and I want to try this for 30 days to see if it collects any more hair. It's been 30 days and you can see what it's collected. I've worked hard at not cleaning this, so it does look a little gross, but you can definitely see there's hair collected here towards the bottom and more than on the original stopper. I'm going to try to clean out the sink and see if there's any hair inside, and really, there's nothing, and it definitely looks like the Sink Shroom collected more hair than the stopper that came with the sink drain. So I'm going to clean this hair off and clean it up and put it back in place. What I like about this push button sink style drain is I don't have to release the rod from the bottom of the sink. I can just pull out the stopper and put it back into place. And if you want to learn more about different types of sink drains, I have a video on that with a link in the description. Alright, so overall, I think probably the Sink Shroom is a little bit better. It seemed to collect more gunk and junk on it, so I'll probably use that. And if I need to put water in my sink, I'll just switch it out with the one that it came with so I can hold the water in the sink. But overall, I don't really need to do that, so I think the Sink Shroom will work perfect for me with my long hair issues getting in the sink. So let me know what you think. Would you use the Sink Shroom? It'd probably work in a traditional sink as well with the pop-up type sink stopper. So let me know. And thanks for joining, and if you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube, click the bell, and be alerted to all our new projects.